Hey guys, it's Yasmin. You're watching my YouTube channel. Before you even start watching the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe because you know you want to become a baby and you want to keep up with this brown girl. So let's get started. So today we're going to be talking about edges. These. Edges. Edges. So we're going to be doing my edges because I do a lot of things to my edges. So what you're going to need is a clipping brush, a mirror. Almost dropped the freaking mirror. Your choice of gel. I'm using Eco, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And tell me if you want a tutorial on my ASAP Rocky braids. Yeah, I rocked them in the last video that you're gonna see whenever. But I hate when people tag me and shit. So let's get started. So we take our edges and we comb them down. You don't need to be making fake edges. Just take the God-given edges that God gave you. Like, my edges are pretty nice. But I know girls be stealing edges. And for this specific hairstyle, like, I cater my edges to the hairstyle. So, first I lay down the gel onto the top of the edges. Like so. So, have y'all ever seen a bald-headed bitch before? Yeah, me too. They're wild animals. I know you need a bitch not be like, all up in your grill. Like, girl, if you don't go somewhere, always wanting to, like, being a baby kid. So, yeah, we start off with a swoop like that. I'm like gonna start with a swoop, and I'm trying to do this without holding it because I usually put my finger and hold it so I can get a better swoop. So I do that swoop in the middle, and then I'm gonna do a little swoop on the side right here because what I think like edges are to do is to like frame the face. So I'm doing a swoop right here. And I feel like I'm going to do another swoop right there. And give her she makes money, and do a swoop over here, like after that one we just did. And then, yeah, I'm feeling... Am I? And then like you could do little tricks with it. But yeah, I'm just gonna fix it up. And then you would usually tie it down with like a scarf or whatever. And then voila, you would have your edges. Yeah, you would usually tie it down with a scarf and then like make sure it's Gucci. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video and hope it was informational to you. And I'll see y'all next time, and I love y'all, and bye!